Hello, I'm George from DJ Band Supply, and we're here to talk to you about ADJ's Ultra Hex 6. It's one of their newest linear fixtures, a bar fixture. I mean, they describe it as linear, but everyone refers to these fixtures as bars, whether they be 6, 9, 12. What we're talking about here is the Ultra Hex 6, which is a very cool unit. It is 6 10-watt LEDs, and there's 6 function LEDs. So you have, each LED is red, green, blue, amber, white, and UV. So when you see those colors on walls that are just pop, they're just crazy pinks or purples or blues, super deep, UV makes that happen. The amber and the white. Just the technology now is incredible, and this is the latest technology out there. So we've got the bar right here. You can see it's not too big. It's really it's 23 inches wide. It's like 4.5 by 6.5 deep. This fixture is very cool because it has 63 color macros, which basically means it has 63 built-in colors. So if you're showing, you know, if you're trying to get the right pinks or the blues, you're gonna have more pinks, blues, yellows, ambers, a variety of them, rather than with the regular RGB units. You have less colors to pick from just because you only have the RGB. With the white and the amber and the UV, you get a lot more choices, and it's built into the unit. The unit is only 6 pounds, so it's light. You can see it's not, you know, it's pretty cool, very light. DMX channels, if it'll make a million different colors, you have total complete control over it. If you're using like American DJ's My DMX 2.0, which I love that program. It's only $300, plugs into your laptop, whether it be a PC or a Mac. They just put in a visualizer so you can see all that. That's something worth checking out to make the most out of your system, and if you got moving heads or something to go with it. But we'll talk about that in another video. The unit is auto. You can just put it in auto and it'll do different patterns. Like you said, you can set it to a straight color. If you are a DJ and you're renting this out, you know, you're doing a wedding, you can set it up to get the perfect color that the bride wants, whether it be, you know, a light blue, a pink, match the color of their dresses, whatever the case may be. This is really gonna let you dial in a color that you could preset, use a DMX controller, or if you're lucky, one of the macros, boom, you zip through it and you've dialed in the color. They're happy. Nothing better than to be doing a job walk, take a fixture with you, be able to dial in a color and say, look what you can do, and you're there. The other thing that's very cool about this fixture is it has magnetic ends, so they clip together, which is awesome. It's flicker free for video, so that's important. Most of the fixtures now that are new coming out are flicker free LEDs, so your videos, and I'll go back to weddings or quinceañeras, sweet 16s, whatever the party may be, person shooting a video, the colors are just going to look great. You're not going to have anything go weird on their video. It has it has brackets that come with it, so you can mount it on a wall, or if it was putting it on the floor. Like, we just had a customer who bought a ton of these from us, and for a job they did, they had 24 fixtures running around this ballroom, and they were able to change it to set the mood, the different things that were going on in the event. They changed the color of the room, and then after dinner and functions and first dance, when the dancing started, just made the room look incredible. The unit is easy on power. uses a 55 watts max, and it has auto sensing voltage. It's 110 to 240 volts. And what's really cool is I get a lot of questions. It's usually asked, hey, can I take it to Europe? I'm going here, I'm going there. Plug it in, it'll automatically sense the voltage, and you don't have to do any adjustments, switch flipping or internal wiring or anything. It just plug it in and it's ready to go. Okay, we're going to take a quick look at the, I was going to say the back, but it's actually on the top of this unit. So you can see here's the front, and here is our controls on the top. The back actually has all the slides for the mounting brackets. So if you were going to put it on the floor and have it sit there, or if you were going to mount it on the wall, this is the hardware to mount. Let me get it turned around to the back. We'll zoom in and check it out. We have the top of the fixture, which, when you really think about it, they did it on the top just because this is a wall wash. If it was sitting on its back, the connections would be hard to get to. So by having them here, it's pretty cool to have it on the top, which in this case would be the side. You have IEC power in, 3-pin DMX in. You have your typical 4-button display, your mode, your setup, your up and your down, and a great clear LED wash. DMX 3-pin out and IEC out. Pretty plain and simple. Same control panel as any other light. Your mode gets you into whether you be your DMX mode or your static colors, and once you through that mode, your setup, if it was just for color macros or static colors, once you got into that, you would be able to flip through your colors with the set, get to the setup, and you can go up and down through all the colors if you were showing someone. So it's a great fixture in that respect. That's the top or the side, depending how you have the fixture positioned. Thank you very much. There's basic information on the unit. We're going to show you a video real quick from ADJ that'll explain everything. Don't forget to like us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter. We got a new website coming out that'll have this on it. Get on our email list. Give us a call at the 800 number you see on the video, and we will get you hooked up with these. Thank you very much.